Rwanda launches its first made in Africa smartphones. Oh, you didn't think, you never heard about that, Will. I got you on that one. You didn't think about that.
Oh.
All the talks, trade tension, Chinese made smartphones, Vietnamese made smartphones, Indian made smartphones. How about the very first smartphone made entirely in Africa? Entirely, the founder of this company wants to make it clear that there's over 1,000 parts. They're manufacturing the boards. They're not assembling.
Oh.
They're manufacturing the motherboards there. And there's other places beyond Rwanda, South Africa, Egypt, and others where assembly takes place. But this is the first fully made in Africa smartphone. And the aim here is to potentially bring more African users, Rwandan users, into the smartphone marketplace. The non-smartphone, dumb phone marketplace is still fairly large there. In Rwanda, according to Reuters, apparently only 15% of the population are using smartphones right now. And the pitch here from this company, Maraphone, is, hey, if you're going to buy your first smartphone, you should support local. You should support a Rwandan company in doing so. Mm-hmm. They're launching 2 models, the Mara X and Mara Z. They're going to run Android, of course. The price is listed in Rwandan francs, but they convert to $190 or $130. So budget models available in different colors. It looks like a fairly stock Android experience based on a website as well. They're going to compete with the likes of Samsung, but Samsung is in there selling smartphones starting at $54 in Rwanda. That's kind of incredible. So there's going to be a bit of a premium if you want to support local, as is sometimes the case. We are actually the first who are doing manufacturing. We are making the motherboards. We are making the subboards during the entire process. There are over 1,000 pieces per phone. They put $50 million into a plant capable of making 10,000 phones per day. So, this is kind of in the same frame as what we've been talking about with the incentivization in India to bring manufacturing local, or at least assembly portion of the manufacturing process local. There are benefits to the region that happen when the entire industry comes instead of just the finished product. There's value added for the individuals and the local economy, and all of a sudden people have jobs, and they're able to interact with the economy in a more dynamic way, a more dynamic fashion. So it's positive. What can you say? I'll probably never get my hands on these. Maybe they'll send me one. I'm curious.
Yeah, I'll hit them up.
Yeah, hit them up. I don't know. I'm curious. The world's first made in Africa smartphone. 1.3 billion people, Will.
Really?
We spend a lot of time trying to forecast the future of the smartphone marketplace through the lens of the biggest consumers, the biggest smartphone markets that exist right now, but potential 1.3 billion people in Africa, and using Rwanda as an example, 15% with smartphones. How many new people have the potential to come online? That's a fresh marketplace. Mm-hmm. That's the potential to be a huge marketplace, and presumably it's going to be Android, obviously.
Yeah. If
this is any indication, and therefore it's a lot of people getting access to the web, a lot of people getting access to Google services. It'll be interesting to see how it all plays out.
Like the whole infrastructure.
Whole thing.
Yeah.
The package deal. So Africa could be the next India in terms of smartphones. Maybe not immediately, maybe not tomorrow, but potentially. There's apparently an economic component as well. Mara Group hopes to profit from the African Continental Free Trade Agreement, a pact aimed at forming a 55-nation trade bloc to boost sales across Africa. So it's been difficult, I guess, up until now to have trade take place over the various borders that exist in Africa. Mm-hmm. And this will unite the 1.3 billion people from a trade perspective and create a predicted $3.4 trillion economic block. So, big things, man. I'm just keeping you in the loop, Will.
No, I think it's great. There is like a sense of pride when something from your own country is made and you actually buy it.
I'm just trying to keep you up to date, Willie Doo.
Yeah. It's good.
I'm just trying to keep you on your toes.
I appreciate it.
I see you over there. You're watching YouTube. I don't know what you're looking at.
Yeah.
Some new trend.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, some guy's cooking steak. He's got the Wagyu beef. That's what you're watching.
KSI, Logan Paul, boxing.
You're not watching that, are you? No. No, you got the guy on the grill with the square block looking Wagyu beef.
Yeah. Shout out to Aiden Films.
Okay, there you go. You shout the guy out at least. Yeah. He flips it over. It sizzles so gently.
Well, he doesn't do it.
Well, he's going to eat it.
Master does.
He's going to eat it.
Yes.
So that's rude then. No, Willie Doo enjoys it. He's into a lot of stuff, but I got to keep him in the loop with the important
I know,
stuff. Otherwise, he gets carried away. He goes, who knows where he goes.
Yeah.
He gets carried away.
Rabbit holes.